Ever wondered what ensures a 5G device meets global standards? RF testing verifies its transmitter, receiver, and over-the-air performance before certification.
Before any 5G device reaches your hand, it must survive a maze of RF tests, conformance, certification, and then operator checks. Miss one, and the device fails the market. Welcome to episode 12. Today, we break down the RF testing and the conformance process, the critical steps every 5G device must pass before entering the market. RF testing ensures every device meets 3GPP performance requirements, behaves properly on the network, and qualifies for global certification. Pre-conformance testing starts early during development. The goal is simple: validate RF performance, find issues early, and reduce certification failure later. 3GPP conformance tests cover transmitter characteristics, receiver performance, and over-the-air measurements. This ensures a device behaves exactly as the standard expects. Transmitter testing evaluates how clean and stable the UE signal is. We measure characteristics like output power, EVM, ACLR, frequency error, and spectral emissions for every supported band and bandwidth. Receiver testing focuses on the UE's ability to decode weak signals while handling interference. Key tests include reference sensitivity, blocking, intermodulation, and adjacent channel selectivity. For 5G FR2, millimeter wave performance must be measured over the air. This includes beamforming behavior, EIRP, EIS, and beam management KPIs. Large and conic chambers with positioners are used to capture 3D radiation patterns. Next comes to certification. PTCRB and GCF ensure compliance to 3GPP specs, while regulators like FCC, CE, or local authorities approve spectrum usage and RF emissions. GCF, Global Certification Forum, an independent organization ensuring mobile and IoT devices meet global standards for network interoperability. PTCRB, PCS Type Certification Review Board, a North America body ensuring devices comply with U.S. network operators' requirements, working similarly to GCF for the Americas. Certification depends on the target market. GCF and PTCRB cover global and North American conformance. Operators like Verizon, AT&T, and China Mobile often add their own requirements. Finally, operator acceptance testing validates performance on real network, including mobility, carrier aggregation, voice over LTE, voice over new radio, and field testing in live environments. The RF testing and certification workflow ensures every 5G device is reliable, safe, compliant, and ready for operators worldwide. Thanks for watching episode 12 on the RF testing and conformance process. In the next episode, we move into advanced features in release 17 and 18. From enhanced side link to non-terrestrial network and reduced capability devices. If you have enjoyed this series so far, don't forget to subscribe, so you don't miss episode 13. Thank you.